Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube. This is Jessie from Illinois, and today I'm going to introduce this new colorway about the Yeezy Boost 350 Yeshaya colorway. I don't know how to pronounce it. Okay, we can check the box first. And the regular boost and the boost. Okay. At the time. Yeezy Boost 350 V2 Yeshua. Okay. Then we back on the sneaker. As you can see, it's the shape. It's the same with the real before. Here this V15 V2, just different in the color. Okay, then we check first the side. The whole upper is use the plain knit, and see this stitching, and see this translucent. This trim translucent. As you can see, this is translucent. You can see my finger in here, and this stemble. As you can see, with the plain knit, and this upper, and you see the toe box. Okay, use this with the good shape. And in the middle, it has like a greenish colorway, and the color like white. It's the color white and green color. The stitching you can see yourself. Otherwise, let's check the back. This also is the shape. It's a shape, and the stitching is the same with the vapor. The same material, same stitch, same knit. Okay, see this part and this side. I see the top, the tongue here is very the shoelaces is can reflective, and this part is very reflective as well, and the whole vapor is non-reflective, and I will show later. Okay, it's very simple design. And we check the midsole. It's translucent. You can see the boost inside. It's greenish colorway. Translucent, and on the top, on the back, this part is yellow colorway, and we see the bottom like a gun bottom. Just the colorway difference. Others is the same as the before. This is, and we can see the bottom is very boost, only super soft, and this boost here, and on the toe part has the Adidas logo branding here. Let's try to install. You see the insole with the white color, and like milk green Adidas Yeezy print in the top. Okay, let's check the insole with the white stitching, and this part is the short tag, and the boost. And this part is white, is a little green, not clear white, but this part very soft. And here is the sole. Okay, that's about this shoes detail. And if you let's get quick to see the ramp, this side, and the middle sole, and the back. This is the bottom. Also, this has the tag, a true tag about the Adidas. Okay, and if you are interested in this sneaker, you can contact me. Below this video, you can find the shoe site and my customer review. I hope you like this video, and have a good day. See you next time.